Check it. Alright guys, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we'll look at our favorite meme stock, AMC, and I'm also looking at APE as well. Guys, you don't want to miss a second of this video. Absolutely fire video. Guys, we're covering the technical analysis on point for AMC and APE. And also, guys, I go on a little bit of rant, but it's information that you guys absolutely want to hear throughout the whole video. We're doing the technical analysis on the long term and the short term, and as well giving you guys critical information about the AMC stock trade. We're going to talk about a possible hedge against the reverse split. We're going to talk about things going on with Adam Aaron and talk about things going on with naked shorting. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and hop in the charts, the facts, the data, and see what we have going on.
Back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're looking at our favorite meme stock, AMC, and I'm also going to look at APE as well. So let's go ahead and look at our favorite meme stock and see what is going on. Also, guys, I'm dropping a Pepe and meme coin video later today, and I will also be dropping a SPY overall market update and meme stock market update later today. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and check that out. I'll be talking about AMC a little bit more on those videos, also the other meme stocks and SPY, and then on my crypto video, I'm going to be talking about Pepe, Bitcoin, and the cryptocurrency market. So let's go ahead and see what we have going on. So guys, we are still in this bearish downtrend, this overall bearish downtrend. This is a micro downtrend, and if we look at the bigger time frames, we've been in a overall uptrend. Now we have this bullish continuation pattern. This is a very easy thing to chart. As you guys can see, we're coming for that 618 retracement. Algos are hunting for that number, and they are going to see that golden 618 retracement pocket. As you guys can see, this is the 618 pocket right here between $5.90 and $4.90 and $4.60. So we have support at $4.60 and $4.80 in between that pocket here, and that is exactly where the falling wedge tip comes to an end. So we are in this technical pattern of a falling wedge. As you guys can see, we are in this technical pattern of a falling wedge, and I have this red line plotted for you guys to show you what that pattern is going to look like when it plays out. As you guys can see, we also have this pattern as analysis as well. So this is what I'm looking at for AMC. So you guys can see this red line here is tracing the price pattern and prediction what I'm looking at for AMC, and we're looking to get that bounce around Wednesday. Each one of these dark lines is the regular trading hours. Each one of the light lines is the pre-market. So as you guys can see, we're probably going to have a pretty flat pre-market here on Monday. Now, if I'm going to show you guys another bullish prediction, so this is the regular standard prediction. I'm going to show you a more bullish prediction if we can hold support at certain key levels, but I'm most likely thinking that what is going to happen is what I'm telling you guys right now. But I'm going to show you something that if we can hold support, what could possibly play out. But I don't want to get your hopes up. I got to keep it real with you, got to keep it 100 with you. If you want the real truth, come to this channel. If you want lies, saying we're going to go to the moon, go to whatever channel you want. But this channel here is where you get the real price action predictions. So as you guys can see, we're probably going to have a flat pre-market on Monday, hit our head on resistance on Monday, heavy resistance on Monday, and then have a big down day on Monday. Unfortunately, we're seeing these short ladder attacks. As you guys can see, this is basically shorting. This is heavy shorting. As you guys can see, if we go ahead and look at the shares available to borrow, they've been able to get a lot of shares available to borrow as of late. And the reason for this is because cost to borrow is going down. Now, cost to borrow is still extremely high, 92% on average. That's still extremely high, but they are able to get shares even at these high evaluations of 1,000%, 900% cost to borrow. So they are definitely able to get shares at these lower valuations of 190% cost to borrow, and we have been seeing the effects of it. This is literally crime in your face. Literally, as you guys see, it just bleed out, and then we get support because AMC is extremely bullish overall. Then we bleed out, and you see these sharp drops down. That is what that is. And what we're doing, and we're hitting our head on this resistance here as well, and then getting pushed down, hitting our head on resistance, getting pushed down. So what's going to happen on Monday is we're going to hit our head resistance. They're going to use those short shares, and what they do is they'll use resistance with the short shares. So they'll use the technicals. It's not all it's not all manipulation. They'll use the technicals. So what they'll do is they'll wait until price is at a support or resistance, and then they'll use the short shares with that. And then they'll also do things like make FUD articles. So they'll put FUD articles out, fake articles, bearish articles out about AMC right at the same time as the price reaches a critical technical point, and then they do all of this, and then they play on our emotions and stuff like that, and it just is a building thing. It's like a snowball effect, and it builds on itself and brings the trend much lower than it actually should be. So this is what it's going for, the 618 retracement, and I do think we are going to see us coming down to about $4.90, $4.60, getting a bounce, and then coming up to retest these highs of $6.20, because we are in a bullish uptrend overall. As you guys can see, we've been in an uptrend ever since $3. Now, if we can go ahead and continue this uptrend, get this new low here at $4.50, $4.60, around that range, and then continue to the upside, that would be very, very bullish for this overall trend to continue to the upside. And go ahead and look at the technicals of this. As you guys can see, you have your uptrend, then you have your falling wedge. You find support at a new low, a higher low, and then you continue to the upside. As you guys can see, we have our uptrend, then we have our falling wedge. We find support at a new low, a higher low, and then we continue our uptrend. And that is what I'm looking at for AMC, also based off of the macro as well, because we broke out of this overall downtrend of the 2-year falling wedge. And now the next time we run up, we are going to keep continuing up, because we do not have this heavy resistance over our head that has been resistance time after time and after time after time after again. Each time we meet our head on this resistance, we get knocked down. Well, guess what? Now we no longer have this resistance. We no longer have this technical resistance. They know that, and they are going to do everything they can to keep us under $6, and also because that is the next crucial breaking point. And then once we get to $6, we like to run. AMC likes to run after $6. We all know that. And once we get there, it is the only next point is $8 to $10. And if they can't stop us there, it's game over. We get over $8 to $10, they're under so much water, and we have so much momentum that it's a wrap. FOMO starts kicking in, gamma starts running wild, it gets crazy, and you guys have seen it time and time again. And we have no longer this sloping resistance over our head to knock us down. And I do think the next time we run, we are going to continue to keep running to the upside. Now, guys, something I want to point out with the failure to delivers, the failure to delivers is absolutely criminal. 18 million failure to delivers. This is indicative of naked shorting like crazy. They use put positions, they use these FTDs, they hide their FTDs and call options, they do all kinds of crazy stuff, but it's all known. And we even seen things like Jamie Dimon and stuff like that. They're starting to attack each other. Why? Because the shorts are falling apart behind the scenes. They're starting to eat each other because things are getting very, very crucial. It's coming down to the wire, and things are getting crazy behind the scenes. So guys, hold your shares. Keep an eye on the bigger picture, the macro. Things are falling apart. The banking crisis, any one of these black swan events could cause AMC to absolutely soar, absolutely take off. And we have all the evidence we need that there is something foul going on in this play with 18 million FTDs. And if you look at the last time we ran, look how many FTDs we have. Now look how many FTDs we have. Yeah, then this run is going to be absolutely insane when it does come to fruition. We have higher cost to borrow. We have higher short interest. Short interest is at 25.95%. Off exchange short volume is absolutely insane. 61% dark pool exchange volume. Are you guys seeing these numbers? 61%. Like, dark pool needs to be banned, yo. This stuff is absolutely insane, the numbers we see for this particular stock. But guys, basically all of the technicals, I showed you guys basically what I have. That 560 or 565.90 bounce is what I'm looking at. We are in an overall uptrend. We are starting to see the MACD flip bearish on the daily time frame. We need to get this bullish MACD cross here on the 4-hour time frame so we can start getting this bullish trend back. Now, overall momentum does look to be good, as we do still have this bullish cross on the monthly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I do apologize, and we still have Bollinger Bands constricting on the weekly time frame as well, letting us know volatility is coming for this particular stock. Let's go ahead and see what we have for a possible bear or bullish scenario if we can hold certain critical price points and levels. Now, this is not what I'm thinking is most likely going to happen, guys. I'm showing you what's most likely going to happen right here, but let's go ahead and end the video with a little bit of hope. I'm also going to do APE as well, but let's end the video with a little bit of an upside. So let's go ahead and see if we can hold this $5 support range and stay above $5.20, which is where we're at right now. So we'd have to move up pre-market. So if we can get a bounce pre-market on Monday, which could be a possibility. We have a red Friday. We had a red week, basically, so we could get this bounce on Monday. It is a possibility, but it doesn't have as much possibility, or I should say chance of happening as the price track that I just showed you. So let's go ahead and see if we can hold support. Let's say we get a little bit pumped to the upside here on pre-market. We get to like $4.30. Then we have opening. So we get to $4.30. Then we have opening. We come down hard in opening. We get our support off of the falling wedge off about $5.18. We hold support. So that way we can continue moving to the upside. And guys, we could see a bounce, something similar to this. I'm going to do the best I can with the price action I have right here. But as you guys can see, we could start seeing this uptrend back up to $6.20, the retest of this local high once again much sooner if we can hold support here at $5.15, $5.20 around that range right here. It would be nice to hold $5 as support, move up pre-market here. So again, Monday, move up pre-market. Come down early when the market opens, hold it support here at $5.18, $5.15, bounce off of that, and then start heading back to the upside, and then again retesting that high later on down the week or possibly next week. Now, if that does not happen, again, I showed you guys what's most likely going to happen is we're going to hit our head on support here on Monday, have a flat Monday opening, hit our head on support, come down, have a big red day on Monday. Unfortunately, I just got to keep it 100 with you guys. Then get that bounce here on Wednesday and then start moving to the upside later in the week or next week. So guys, this is everything I have for you on the technicals on AMC and then the fundamentals on AMC as well, the fundamental data. Fundamentals for the company is looking good. Again, the popcorn is doing really well. Sales are doing really well. The earnings was good. So fundamentals for the company is improving. Fundamental data is very crucial, very critical, showing us that there is massive numbers behind the scenes. And then the technicals as well, showing us that we are going on a overall bullish uptrend on the macro. Again, this is just the very, very start of breaking this wedge. We're going to have chop. We're going to have sideways action. It's going to be boring. It's going to be disheartening. But guys, a uptrend will be coming for AMC on the macro. Okay, the bigger time frame, again, this takes weeks and days to play out, but as far as the technicals are concerned, again, we're going in a bullish uptrend on the macro. Okay, so we're going to get a bullish cross on the monthly time frame and go in a bullish trend like this. As you guys can see, we've been in a huge falling wedge, and as we just said about falling wedges, it makes for a higher high, and we are going to see that for AMC. But guys, this takes very long to play out. We are just in the very starting stage of breaking that wedge. So there's going to be chop, there's going to be sideways, there's going to be drops, there's going to be things like that. But guys, if you can just hold on, I do believe we're going to see higher highs for AMC based off the technicals alone. Just based off the technicals alone, I do think that, and there's so many other things showing us that we're going to be reaching higher highs. So this is what I have for AMC. I'm going to be looking at APE as well. And guys, what I think is going on for APE, I do hold APE, but I think that they're trying to dump AMC and pump APE, one, to get the price closer together, but also two, to spread fear, uncertainty, and doubt. They want to shake you out of position, make you get disheartened, like, man, should I sell AMC for APE? No, don't be switching your, if you're not sure, not financial advice, if you're not sure, don't switch your positions around, okay? Do not switch your position around if you're not sure what's going on. Don't make an emotional decision, okay? Make your decisions based off facts and sound knowledge. Don't see the charts one day because APE's running, be like, oh man, I need to sell. I need to switch my portfolio around. When you make emotional decisions, you mess up, okay? I'm just telling you that off the rip from an experienced trader. All right, guys, so look at what we're seeing for APE. Again, a lot of barcoding. Like, this is crazy, yo. This is crime. Like, that's wild, all right? Off the bat, this is crazy. I had to say that. Sorry about that, but guys, what we're looking at for APE on the overall bigger time frames, you have to look at APE on the bigger time frames because the movement looks like a barcode on the smaller time frames. APE is making higher highs, okay? As you guys can see, higher lows and higher lows. So as you guys can see, you have a low, a higher low, and this is your next low right here. So APE is definitely in a overall macro uptrend. It is trending to the upside. Once it breaks $1.75, it definitely will see nice upside to the upside to $2, $2.50 right here, this main support resistance. If it can break this $2.50 resistance, I always say this all the time, APE could absolutely go soaring. Also, this is all dependent on if the conversion does not go through, reverse split does not go through. If APE gets converted, obviously it will be converted to AMC and the price action will no longer matter. You'll make your money off of the arbitrage if you hold APE. And also, guys, Just a little idea, APE could actually be a hedge against the reverse split. So if you're in the camp with me that the reverse split will end your plans for MOAS, I know some people think differently, but I think that the reverse split will kill the MOAS. You can hedge with APE. So what you do is you hold your APE, and if the reverse split for some miracle goes through, because it's very clear that Adam Aaron did sell out our shares with Antera, and sold away our voting rights, but if that does go through by some miracle, you hold a bunch of APE, APE gets converted to AMC, you get paid anyways, and at least you make some money. And if there's a settlement, then you could actually let it convert and then get the free shares because your APE converts to AMC. So you'll have more AMC, and then you could get paid after the settlement. I know you get screwed in the reverse split. You lose your value, but you could get paid off the settlement, sell everything out, and then take the cash and then be done with the play. Not that I want that to happen. I want MOAS to happen, in my personal opinion. This is just a little bit of rant for you guys. But again, APE could be a hedge against the reverse split. Now, I do think the reverse split is not going to happen, in my personal opinion. And it's very, very clear what Adam Aaron did. I think it's going to be put back to the drawing board, at least made with another vote without APE at the worst case scenario, and then probably get shot down. So I think once that happens, the shorts are going to capitulate because this is their last chance to get out. They're going to erase the FTDs with the reverse split. And I could go on a whole video with that, but let's go ahead and look at the price action with APE. As you guys can see, again, if APE breaks that $1.75 range, you will see APE push to the upside. APE is actually looking really good to continue this uptrend. I don't think AMC is going to come crashing back down where the prices are going to meet or anything like that, but APE is definitely going to continue the uptrend, and once it gets past this $1.75 mark, it is going to see more upside. Let's go ahead and put on some indicators to see if we can see any type of momentum indication or any type of movement. So for the alligator, it looks like we're going to be getting a bullish pop to the upside here. It looks like we're going to be finding support here. Let's go ahead and check out the Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands not telling me anything really. And then super trends, go ahead and pop on the super trend. Super trend 4-hour time frame, no sell signal. So again, uptrend is going to continue. This uptrend is looking to continue. We do have this sell signal on the 2-hour time frame, so we could see a little bit of sideways chop, maybe a little bit of pullback, but it looks like the overall uptrend is going to continue. In my personal opinion, MACD is flipping bullish on the 2-hour time frame as well, probably negating the sell signal on the 2-hour time frame. I like to use the 4-hour time frame less false signals. But guys, this is basically everything I have for you. Again, AMC probably coming down to that 480, 490, 460 region in the golden 618 pocket here, getting a bounce off of this falling wedge, perfectly following the technicals, and then going back to a higher high of $6.20, retesting that high of $6.20. Also, we have APE looking to make higher highs. It's continuing in this uptrend, as you guys can see, and if it breaks this $1.75 resistance, it could have a nice push to the upside, easily reaching $2 or $2.50 in my personal opinion. But guys, this is everything I have for you. Again, check me out on Discord. Discord is $150 per invite. I'm going to have all my trades on there, all my best work, all my videos are on there, and I have a great community as well. We'll talk about our stocks, trades, crypto all day long, so you can learn about trading, you can learn about crypto. Ask me questions, anything you want, $150 per invite. Go ahead and ask me for an invite in the comments or hit me up on Twitter. All of the information is in the comments below to reach me on Twitter or get the invite for Discord. Go ahead and check me out there. And guys, as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.
All right, guys, that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this. And guys, I truly appreciate each and every one of you that subscribes, watch the video to the end, and comments, shows love. It really does mean the world to me. And guys, as always, you can check me out on Twitter and Discord. Discord is $150 per invite. And also make sure you join the membership for my channel to get my best videos and best information about AMC, meme stocks, and cryptocurrency. The best videos. Go ahead and join the membership. And guys, as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.